Hello everyone, welcome in this video. Friends, in this video we will discuss about the safety procedure in handling equipments as a service staff or food production staff in a hotel industry. So let's begin know about it. Friends, kitchen work usually considered safe in comparison with industrial job. Minor injuries from cuts and burns are very common. Serious injuries too are possible. Friends, a safe workplace. It is much easier to develop and practice habits that prevent accidents if safety is welded into the workplace. Friends, structure, equipments and electric wiring in good repair, and non-slipper floor and adequate lighting on work surface and in corridor, and clearly marked existing and equipment supplied in necessary safety devices, and heat activated fire extinguishers over cooking equipments, especially deep fryers, and conventionally posted emergency equipment such as fire extinguisher and clear posted emergency telephone number, and smooth traffic patterns to avoid collisions. And friends, now we will discuss about prevent cuts and what to do for that your safety. Friends, first keep knife sharp and use a cutting board and pay attention to your work and cut away from yourself and other workers, and use knife only for cutting, and clean knife carefully and store knife in safe place and carry knife properly, and keep breakable item out of the food production area, and sweep up, don't pick up broken glass, and discard chipped or cracked dishes and glasses, and use a special container for broken dishes and glasses. If there is broken glasses in the sink, drain the sink. Friends, remove all nail and staples when opening crates and cartons. Friends, now we will discuss about what don'ts you have to do when prevents cuts. You don't try to catch a falling knife, and don't put a knife in sink and underwater, and don't put a breakable item in a pot sink. So friends, now we will discuss about preventing burn, how you have to protect yourself preventing burn. Friends, you have to keep remember always assume a pot handle is hot, and use dry pads and towel to handle hot pan, and keep pan handles out of the aisles, and don't fill pan so full that they are likely to spill hot food. Open lid away from you and get help when removing heavy containers of hot food. Use care when opening compartment streamers, and make sure gas is well vented, and wear long sleeves and a double breasted jacket. And always remember, friends, dry food before putting them in frying fat, and when placing food in hot fat, let them fall away from you, and keep liquid away from the deep fryer, and warm service people about hot plates, and always warm people when you are walking behind them with hot pan. Friends, now we will discuss about prevent fire, what you have to do for self protection. First, know where fire extinguishers are located, and use the right kind of extinguishers. And there are three classes of fire and fire extinguishers. Class A, firewood, paper, cloth, and ordinary and combustibles. And Class B, fire burning liquids such as greases, oil, and gasoline. And Class C, fires and switches, motors, electricals, equipments, and so forth. And friends, keep a supply of salt for baking soda handy to put out fire, and range tops, and keep hoods and other equipments free from greases, wild off, and smoke only in a designed area. If a fire alarm sound, if you have time, turn off all gas and electrical appliances before leaving. Keep fire door closed, and keep exiting free from obstacle. Friends, preventing injury from machines and equipments. Use all guards and safety devices, and unplug electrical equipments before cleaning, and wear properly fitting clothes and tuck in open apron strings, and use equipments only for the purpose intended, and preventing falls, and clean up spills immediately. Throw salt on slippery spot to make it less slippery. Keep less and strands clear and unobstructed. Bark, don't run. And friends, preventing strain and injuries, lift with the leg muscles, not the back, and always stand. Give equal balance, equal weight on both the leg, and use trolley cart to move heavy object to get help. And now we will discuss about preventing fire don'ts for your safety. Friends, let's begin to know about it. Don't leave hot fat untended on the range, and do not use any equipment unless you know its operations, and don't touch remove food from any kind of equipment while it is running, and do not touch handle electrical equipments with wet hand, and do not spill water, oil, etc., and do not carry object too big to see over, and do not lean or be bent unnecessarily while working, or do not work in that way, and don't turn or twist the back while lifting, and make sure your footing is secure. So I hope friends you know very well how you can protect yourself while you are working in a hotel industry as a food service staff or food production staff as a chef. So thank you for watching this video.